We were essentially, and still are essentially, a village people with that approach to life. And when you have that approach, then you realize that you're dependent on other human beings and on your environment and all the things in your environment, and you have to work in concert with that. What we're trying to accomplish essentially is setting up a judicial system and an infrastructure for our communities that works for our communities. If you've done something wrong, let's sort it out so that you can do something to give back and be back in community and hold your head up. That's basically it. It's not about me proving you did it or not. You know if you did it, and if you did, what's the way back from that?
As a minority, we make up less than 2% of the population. 500 years ago, we was 100% of the population. Our women are murdered and raped on a higher percentage per capita than any other race. Our men are actually incarcerated more than any other race. When you see those statistics, we're not in there anywhere. And this type of system absolutely considers us and makes us visible again. We've been invisible for a long time. And we have to live in two worlds here. We have to live in the modern world, and we have to try to carry forward our traditions and this type of legal system that considers the cultural, not just the legal. Whereas, like I said, I go to county court, they see my long hair, they see my dark skin, and I don't have a chance. I've been there, I've dealt with them, and even though when I'm right, I'm still wrong, you see. Our case in there took about 7 minutes to deal with, and whereas if it had been a county court case, we'd have had to go back 5 or 8 times, and here it was just a quick, let's discuss it, and that sounds good, and we'll try it out, and if it doesn't work, we'll revisit it, and and that really helps.
I think that, for a long time, there hasn't been trust here because of government issues and, of things that, were said and done in the past. And so, I think Abby has the right approach with people. She doesn't sit up on the bench and doesn't have a robe on. She gets in there. I think people, right away, they're at ease, and she continually preaches the piece about being responsible for what we do.
We've been given a great gift to be here in this place because it's a beautiful place to be. The river has given us much. We came upon a difficult period with the invasion, and a lot of bad things happened at that, and we picked up some bad habits. And we need to rid ourselves of those habits and move forward in a positive fashion, and take care of this place as we are meant to do.